Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Theta Network, currently down 43.4% on a yearly time frame. We're deep in the crypto bear market. The last 1 year has seen a lot of altcoins dumped to gobbling town. But right now, we're seeing some signs of life in the altcoin market on a monthly time frame. So how high is Theta Network going to go if we get that long-awaited alt season? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Theta Network US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. Where are we going to find support as we continue dumping to gobbling town, and how high can we go in the coming days and in the coming weeks if we see the long-awaited alt season? We'll take a look at Theta Network's performance against Bitcoin. We'll also take a look at Theta Network's market cap and how high can the market cap go before the end of 2023. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 month has seen a lot of altcoins have double-digit gains. The last 1 month has seen the altcoin market start showing no signs of life. But guys, we're deep in gobbling town. The last 1 year has been brutal for altcoins in the market. Theta Network is down 43.4%. If you take a look at what we have been doing since the end of the bull market, in March of 2021, we have been dumping aggressively to gobbling town from as high as $13.39 where Theta Network got to in March of 2021. We have seen it lose around 95.5% of its value in over 800 days. Guys, this bear market has been long. This bear market has been brutal, but I think we're finally finding support around the $0.55 level. If you take a look at what Theta Network did after we went above that $0.55 level in the previous bull market, that was when we started going crazy to the moon, and it took us just 180 days to go up over 2,300%. It doesn't mean we can't break below it, but if you're a long-term investor, if you're waiting for that big pump to the upside, that might come anytime soon. Remember, we're at the region where you want to be accumulating, getting ready for that pump. Guys, we've had huge dumps in the market. Yes, we've seen those dumps in the market, but if you take a look at what the market has been doing ever since May of 2022, we have been building a course for a new pump to the upside. We went sideways for over 392 days. And right now, even though we're at new lows, I believe this is most of these altcoins just having spring right now. All those long-term investors are getting cheap prices. Remember, it can still go lower than this, but there's a very key support level. If you take a look at what Theta Network has done in the past, this was a very good region where to accumulate before we had that final pump to the upside, and it just happens that we're building a course for accumulation at this level. So if this level holds, guys, we're getting ready for a big pump to the upside. Now the altcoin season index is telling us right now it's not yet alt season, but we're gearing up for that alt season to come before the end of the year. We saw alt season happening in 2022 in June, July, and August. A little of September, that was when we saw Bitcoin ranging and pumping towards $25,000. In 2023, we have not seen an alt season yet. What's an alt season, you might ask, guys? If 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, it's an alt season. Right now, we have not seen that happen in 2023. Bitcoin has been outperforming those altcoins. I will expect those altcoins to show some strength before the end of the year. Theta Network has been losing value against Bitcoin ever since the bull market ended in 2021. Right now, it's down for more than 900 days against Bitcoin. I'll expect us to see a big pump to the upside. If we see that long-awaited alt season, Theta Network will easily get a 200, 300, maybe even 400% pump against Bitcoin. Guys, you know how volatile those altcoins can be. When the alt season comes, those pumps can happen very quickly. That's why it's advisable to make all your plans before all season starts. You want to do all your accumulation before all season starts. So when we start pumping to the moon, all you have to do is selling for some sweet profit. Remember, guys, you're here to make some money. You want to buy low, you want to sell high, you want to buy when the market is depressed, you want to buy when there's extreme fear in the market, you want to buy altcoins when we're in Bitcoin season, so that when we get to alt season, you can finally sell for some profits. We're seeing some signs of life in the altcoin market. Let's take a look at some key details about Theta Network and where you can get some for yourself. With a market cap of $589 million, Theta Network has a 24-hour trading volume of over $5.9 million. A circulating supply of 1 billion tokens, that's the maximum supply. You can have 1 billion tokens. Where can you get some? If you want to get some, you can get some on Binance, on KuCoin, on BitTop, on Bitfinex, on HNX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Theta Network is a blockchain powered by network purpose built for video streaming. Launched in March of 2019, the Theta mainnet operates as a centralized network in which users share bandwidth and computing resources on a peer-to-peer basis. Now let's take a look at Theta Network's market cap. We looked at Theta Network's valuation against Bitcoin. We see that it could easily gain against Bitcoin very, very quickly. We saw Theta Network's market cap in the previous bull market going from as low as $32 million, guys, getting to as high as over $1.5 billion, or it even got to $15 billion. But right now we're deep in Goblin Town. The market cap has dropped to as low as $588 million. If we find support right here, it's a very, very strong support level right here. We saw that $588 million level was giving us hard times before we pumped higher prices in the bull market. Right now, it looks as if we're finding support at that level. I will expect a bounce to come in the coming days and the coming weeks. How high can that bounce go? How high can Theta Network's market cap go? I'm not really expecting to get to new all-time highs before the end of the year, guys, but I will not be shocked if we see the market cap returning to the $3.8 billion level, maybe even touching the $4 billion region. That will look very, very poetic if we see Theta Network's market cap getting from as low as $588 million here, getting to as high as $4 billion. That will see it rallying up by more than 550%. What will Theta Network's price be if we see the price going up by almost 550%? Guys, that will see Theta Network's price rallying up to as high as $4. Imagine how high it can go. We have seen it trade at $4 multiple times. We have seen it trade for as $4 for the last time we saw it trading for $4 was in April of 2022. So I'll not be shocked if we see Bitcoin rallying towards $30,000, the altcoin market going crazy. I'll not be shocked to see Theta Network rallying towards that $4 region. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you see Theta Network breaking to new all-time highs this year? Do you see the market dropping to new lows? Do you see Theta Network breaking below this key support region at $0.588, breaking to new lows? If you're accumulating, if you're a bull, how high do you think it will go if we get that long-awaited alt season in 2023? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Follow us on all social media platforms at Mr. Legend Crypto on Facebook, on Telegram, and on Twitter. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.